just doing a quick review for you on this infrared thermometer that also comes with this plug-in temperature probe. These come in handy. The brand gifted this to me in exchange for my honest review. You can measure temperatures -50 degrees all the way up to 1500 degrees. Just as a quick demo, if I point it at my hand, right, it's gonna tell you the temperature, surface temperature of my hand, which is 92 degrees or 91.9. I've got a nice fire going there, so if I point, we're gonna point and click, and right now it's telling me that from this distance, right, it's 337 degrees. If we get a little closer, there we go. Now we're scanning, and it's gonna go ahead and scan and take the average. When I let go, it's gonna tell us that that is 841 degrees. So you can click one time and let go and it'll give you a read, or you can go ahead and hold the trigger down and it's gonna give you multiple reads based on where you're moving this. So we know it works on fire, but how about outside? Let's see the surface temp of my porch. So the porch surface temp right there is 41 degrees. So the closer you get, there we go, 30, whatever that is, 37 degrees. There, we'll just point it right at it. And it's telling me that is 4.3 degrees on that item there. Bag is 23 degrees. I've had a couple of these before. I've never come across one that has this attachable plug-in thermometer to it. This is huge. I mean, you can do so much with this. If you were to take this with you camping, you know, you could use this to see if the coals of your fire were put out before you leave the campsite. Make sure they're nice and cooled off. You can also plug this in and use it to test if you're gonna cook any kind of meats out there on the fire, etc. You can use this to probe and check the internal temp. This is a great tool. It's very practical. It's also fun to use, and it's so easy to use. It's literally point and click and you are good to go. Nothing complicated there. It does have some more advanced features on there, like if you wanted to get averages and so forth. But really for the average person, this is all you need. It comes with a 9-volt battery, so you don't have to worry about getting batteries for it. Point and click, this is a great little unit. Now the company did send this to me in exchange for my honest review. So definitely pick this one up, check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.